This video will provide you with the skills to successfully use the ExpressPoll electronic poll book in your jurisdiction. The ExpressPoll terminal integrates all necessary peripheral devices into the stand. This intuitive design securely houses the tablet in the locked enclosure and includes 2 external USB ports and an infrared barcode scanner. When connected to power, the tablet will charge and power will be supplied to all devices housed within the stand. The ExpressPoll comes in a self-contained carrying case with designated spaces for the poll book unit and the ExpressVote printer. Remove the poll book unit, power block, the ExpressVote printer, and cord from the case and place them on a flat surface for Election Day operations. Plug the printer power cable into the printer, flat side down. Plug the square end of the USB cable into the USB cable port on the back of the printer. The orange power cord is securely attached within the base of the terminal and attaches to a removable power block using a USB-C connection. Connect the orange power cord to the white USB-C power block. Plug the power block into an AC power outlet. Ensure the outlet is active and ready to use. Plug the rectangular end of the USB cable into one of the USB ports on the stand. Press the orange power button on the top of the ExpressPoll stand to power on the Microsoft Surface Go tablet. Once the tablet is powered on, the initial launch screen will display jurisdictional and election-specific information. From here, you can launch the software, enter maintenance mode, or shut down the tablet. To get to the initial launch screen, touch the Launch button. When prompted, enter the pollbook qualification code, or PQC, then touch Submit. If this is the first time you have launched the ExpressPoll, the system will prompt you to select the correct poll place. Tap the poll place field to activate the keyboard and begin typing the name of your poll place. As you type, a list of available poll places appears. Select from the list. If the poll place listed on the sign-in screen is incorrect, touch Change Poll Place to select a different polling location. Search for the poll place as previously directed. Once the correct poll place is selected, you will need to complete the dual sign-in process. One poll worker will enter the username and password on the Sign-in number 1 screen, then touch Sign In. The second poll worker will enter the username and password on the Sign-in number 2 screen, and then touch Sign In. From the Monitor Polls screen, touch the Open Poll button. To search for a voter, touch the Search for Voter button. Begin by typing the voter's last name. If too many results are found, move to the first name. A list of voters will be displayed. Select the proper voter. Did the voter present identification from List A? These are the 8 acceptable state and federal photo IDs. If the voter presented ID from List A, touch Yes, then Next. If the voter is in the correct polling location, touch Issue Standard. If there are no changes to the voter's registration data, touch None on the verification screen, then Next. Have the voter sign on the poll book screen. When finished, touch Done Signing. Verify the signature, then touch Accept. Insert a blank ExpressVote activation card into the printer. Give it to the voter after it prints. Touch Complete Check-in and the receipt will print. You are ready for the next voter. If a voter does not have one of the 8 acceptable photo IDs from List A, touch No, then Next. Did the voter present identification from List B? If the voter has a List B form of identification, the reasonable impediment declaration must be signed by both the voter and the poll official. Touch Yes, then Next. Touch Choose Reasons to select the reason for the voter's reasonable impediment. Once selected, touch OK. Then the voter and the election judge must both sign. After both have signed, touch Next. Select the List B form of identification the voter presented, then select Next. Complete the issue ballot process as previously described. When it's time to close the poll, touch Monitor Poll, then touch Close Poll. Touch Yes. From the main screen, touch Shut Down. The poll book will shut off. Once the unit shuts down, unplug all the cords, wrap them, and place them in their appropriate location in the box.